this is the key to Disneyland, and we found our first location. It unlocks a special exclusive pin.
That's right. There's like 7 or 8 spots we have to go to, right?
Yes, and we are in New Orleans right now, and we have the first key spot.
Let's go.
It's pretty hidden.
So we have to find one and all these different locations, right?
Yeah.
And then we find the secret key or the secret pin. So we got one on Main Street, Adventureland, New Orleans Square, which is where we're at now, so we got to look for it. Bayou Country, Tomorrowland, Star Wars Galaxy Edge, Frontierland, Mickey's Toontown, and Fantasyland.
Oh, it's a lot. Okay, I see the key area.
You do, good.
See, like it's glowing.
It is glowing. It must know that we're close.
Okay. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Hey, got the first one.
Oh, awesome.
Yay, we unlocked the first one.
Good job. So there's Winnie the Pooh, assistant. And what land are we in?
Bayou Land.
Bayou Land. So that's going to be the next spot.
And I think I know where the key is.
So that's Tiana's plunge.
Yeah. The old Splash Mountain. And if you see on here, it's a little bright, but you see the first mark?
Yeah, it's going to be shadows right here, so we can go over here and get it.
All right. See, there's the first one.
Oh, yeah. So that was.
I don't know what it is, though.
I think it's what's her name from New Orleans.
Oh.
All right, so here
Here's
is
the key.
here is the key for the 70th
Oh my
anniversary.
gosh, ready?
Let's see what it does. It turned yellow.
Oh! Honey for Pooh.
Honey for Pooh, that's me.
Yeah.
We just saw Winnie the Pooh, right?
Yeah, and it's playing music.
That's awesome. 2 down, a few more to go.
Yay!
So this one's yellow, right?
The other one was blue.
Well, since we're at Disneyland, we can't just look for the keys. We also have to ride some rides. First up, we're riding the Matterhorn, which is exclusive to Disneyland. That's right, you can't find this one at the Magic Kingdom, only in Disneyland in California. It's a lot of fun.
We are here at the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and we think we found another spot for this key.
Yeah, look, there's
Some Star Wars thing.
that's not an X-Wing. What kind is it?
Not the Millennium Falcon, I can tell you that.
Yeah. So I really like Star Wars Land. Look, you got all this cool stuff. Oh, here. Is this it?
The key!
Here's the key.
Okay, let's unlock another thing on here.
All right. Does it show anything?
Hey! Look, we unlocked it! It's like a, that's the Millennium Falcon!
It is the Millennium Falcon. It's a little bright. Let's bring it over here in the dark.
Oh yeah, it's red!
Oh, that's super cool. So we found our third one, right?
Yes! Let's find more! We're by Cinderella's castle, and the next key is coming up.
We're in Fantasyland, right?
Yes!
So this was one of the trickiest of the ones to find so far.
Yeah, because I feel like Fantasyland's pretty big.
And it's crowded. Right here. It says,
That is not it.
this isn't it?
No.
Well, what is it?
This is a turn thingy.
Oh, you turn it. Oh, that's cool.
It's from the Hunchback of Notre Dame. See?
Very, but that's not it though.
Oh, it's over here.
Ah, right here it is.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta turn it on.
It looked like it lit up. Oh, bubbles are coming out. What music did it play? Put it back in and see if it plays music.
There we go.
Oh, very cool. Now what is the oh, it's the castle.
It's the castle. Ooh.
Awesome. Found another. Back through the castle. So we got to go to Toonland, is it?
Maybe like, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We still have 4 more.
Still have 4 more to go.
Yeah.
Maybe we should ride some rides too.
Yeah, let's try.
Our next ride was Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It's a really fun ride that just replaced Splash Mountain. And guess what? You get really wet, or you can get really wet. Here's the trick. Don't sit in the very front of the boat, because if you do, you might get splashed, like I did. I got really wet, but it was still a lot of fun to ride.
We've made it to Toontown and we already spot the key area.
So look, this is super cool though. You've got all.
Toontown is like one of my favorite lands. Let's go.
You got the post office right here. You got the fire truck. Look at the fire truck. Sisson.
Ow.
There's a fire truck.
Fire truck.
I don't think people can see it.
So cool. It's right up here.
Ooh, bubbles!
And it's Mickey's house.
It's Mickey's. So let's go show the people at home what Mickey's house looks like too, right?
Right. We're in Tomorrowland to get another key.
Now, does it light up when we're getting close?
No, I just turn it on and off.
Oh, okay. So Tomorrowland, over by Star Tours, right?
Right. And when you put it in, it should give a Space Mountain thing.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right.
Gotta wait in line. Time to unlock the key.
All right, here we go. Ooh. Oh, it's got like a projection on it too. Wow. So what did it show?
Right here, Space Mountain.
Space Mountain.
Two more.
So Main Street and Frontierland, right?
Right.
Which one's gonna be the last one? Wonder what pin we're gonna get.
I know. I wonder which one.
Here we go. Into space. While in Tomorrowland, we decided to ride Space Mountain. You've never ridden Space Mountain before, and it's so much fun. It's like you're on a mission to outer space. A lot of the ride's in the dark, so you don't really know what's coming next. It could be a turn, it could be a drop, but it goes really, really fast, and it kind of feels like you're actually in space. It's one of our very, very favorite rides at Disney.
Frontierland. Then we only have one more.
So it's behind Big Thunder Mountain.
This one was hard to find.
Yeah, it really
The
was.
hardest one to find, though, probably would have been Star Wars if we weren't looking out for it.
Yeah, I don't know. This is a pretty tricky one.
Yeah.
You got this wagon here.
It's on the very edge of the Star Wars land.
So here it is. Let's see what it. I wonder if the wagon does anything.
Oh, thanks, Book.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh. Look, it's bubbles. Yay!
very cool. So what does it look like?
One more. Wait, we're right here.
So we just have Main Street left, right?
Which would be right here.
Oh, we did it again. It lit up. Now to Main Street.
Yep.
Before going to Main Street and finding our last station, we decided to ride Rise of the Resistance. It's one of the main rides here at Disneyland. It's a Star Wars ride where you're trying to escape from the Resistance. You're in a little shuttle, and you've got to find your way to escape out the escape hatch. It's a lot of fun. And it's actually a really long ride. We had a blast.
The final key piece.
And we're on Main Street, right?
Yes. Then we get to unlock the pin that we want.
All right, let's go. We'll see if we can find it. So we're on Main Street, right at the entrance to the park.
We've literally been doing this all day.
We're 22,000 steps in.
Yeah, and apparently the last one we did, that was in, what was it, Frontierland? It was right around the corner from another one, but we walked all the way around before
We did not take the shortest way.
Not at all.
All right, so we think the last one is here at
In the fire department.
in the fire department on Main Street.
Here it is.
Oh, yep, here it is. Whoa. So it lights up.
Wonder how I get my pin.
Ooh. All right, let's see what we have.
Got it.
So this is the final one. It's opened up.
Okay. Here's that.
So this is a special pin.
We got the honey one.
Ooh.
Honey. And look at it. Oh,
That was a fun day.
so fun.
So what should people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Should we do it again?
I don't know.